Welcome to Grammar with Lily. The last video reviewed question word order, which is different from statement word order. Statements are sentences that tell something and end with a full stop. Statements start with a subject. Questions are sentences that ask something and end with a question mark. Questions start with a verb or a WH word and then a verb. But there is a little more to the question word order. Let's look at these text messages using the be verb. The teacher was angry. Why was she angry? A student was late. Who was late? I was late. Why were you late? I got stuck in traffic. Where is the subject of each question? I see two subjects, she and you. What about the second question? Who was late? Where is the subject? Oh, the subject is who. I don't know the subject. I don't know who was late. So my question word who is the subject in the question. Question words can be the subject of a question. If the question word is the subject, just continue the other words of the question. Notice that the order of that question now looks like the order of the statement, just like the answer. The order is subject, who or I, verb, was, and complete the sentence, late. But the question is still a question. It starts with a question word and it ends with a question mark. Now look at these messages using a different verb, not be. You can pause the video to read them. Okay, which question word is the subject here? Yes, it's who again. Notice that who played football does not have a helping verb. Why not? Again, the words are in statement word order. Subject, who, main verb, played, complete the sentence. The verb is positive in statement word order, so we don't need a helping verb. It is still a question even without the helping verb. It has a WH question word and a question mark. Pause the video and look at our next set of sentences. Ready? Which question word is the subject in one of these questions? I don't see who. Oh yes, what is the subject of the second question? How do you know that what is the subject? Two ways. There is no helping verb and no other word is the subject. What if you are using a modal verb? Or what if you are using present progressive? Both of these need to keep the helping verb. If you drop the helping verb, the meaning changes or the grammar breaks. Pause and see. Notice that all of the questions use a helping verb, will or is or might. But there are still two questions that use the question word as the subject. Which two? Yes, who is helping you? Subject, verb phrase, complete. And what will be the last step? Subject, verb phrase, complete. These both follow statement word order, but they are still questions. The other questions all have a subject between the helping verb and the main verb, following the question word order. To review, WH questions always start with a WH word, and they usually follow question word order. A verb, the subject, then complete the sentence. But sometimes the question word is the subject. In that case, the words follow statement word order, and we do not add a helping verb of do. Practice asking questions today.